Hello, welcome to Nana's Journey. Today we are continuing with the 101 Maple Street. It's a Bunny Hill design by Sutton. We are doing this block today, Pumpkin and Pomegranate. And these are the backgrounds that I picked for it. So I will sew these together, these two together, these three together, and then I will put those rows together. I have picked these two fabrics for the pomegranate, this for the stem of the pumpkin, and this for the pumpkin. There's our stems. And then these three for the leaves. So let me get the background put together and then we will work on the applique. Okay, I've got the background done. I'm sorry, I forgot to press record. I thought I was recording it, but it turns out I wasn't. So I've got my packet of pumpkin and pomegranates. We did all of this in the first video. So if you want to know how to do all the prep work and everything, you can watch that video. It will be in the link below. And I like to get all the tedious stuff out of the way. And then when we do each block, we just get the fun stuff. So, okay, these are our leaves. That's the pomegranate center, the crown, and take it that is the stem to the pumpkin. And I had an extra stem. So now we can iron on these. Okay, I've got 2, 4, 6 of these. Okay, we've got everything ironed on, and now I just need to cut them out, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm ready to sew the stems on, but since this goes over the pumpkin, I needed to put the pumpkin on, and this goes under the pumpkin, so I needed to put the stem on. So I will just start sewing here, go around, and then go around like this, and then we will come back and, well, then I'm going to get some black stitching and stitch along there, and then we will come back and iron on our applique. So let's get to the sewing machine. Okay, I'm going to use my triple stitch on my machine. Okay. I'm going to start a little farther back. Okay, I've got some placement done. I should have done this before I did the papers. I want to put the pomegranate on. I need to put the crown though here. So that will go down first. And then this tip will go in the middle, and this tip will go in the middle of the stem. And then I put the berries on the ends of those stems. Okay, I cut out an extra leaf, so I went ahead and added it right there. Okay, now we just need to applique. So let's get to the sewing machine. Okay, again, I've got my machine at the same settings. Okay, and I'm using a plum thread for the leaves again like I did last week because I liked how that looked. Okay, and I will just continue on, do all the leaves. I will probably do the pomegranate also in the plum and just change to orange for the pumpkin. And then I will be done. I will see you in a moment. Okay, it is all finished. It's all appliqued. Oh, I missed a leaf. I'll have to get back and do that. And so this is the third block that we finished. Next time we will do this block, Out for a Walk. We've got some baby quail, mama quail, and a couple acorns. And so I hope to see you next time on Nana's Journey.